What's up, guys? Welcome back to Matt Drones on Travel Channel and Drone Houston. My name is Matt Neff. I own Drone Houston, and I also have a YouTube channel, Matt Drones on Travel. So on the travel side, we got to work a few years ago with a really great client called Astryia. I think I'm saying that right. It sounds like Australia with an accent. Astryia, yeah. And we bartered for some content. They wanted to get some updates of their new mini houses, and they had mini houses. They had, what do they have? Mini houses, they have domes, all these really cool things. And they had, at the time, they were building the Hobbit homes. So I'll put all that information in on the comments below. But really great place. Had a lot of fun. Took my wife Desiree and I. We had some really funny content of us getting there super late at night. It was super dark out. Really funny, but you have to imagine it. I somehow recorded over it. But we were able to drive out there to Fredericksburg. It was about 3 hours from where we live here in Houston. Had a great time, got some shots for the client, and I utilized my Mini 3 Pro drone, my Mavic 3 drone. This was the first flight, I believe, for the Mavic 3 when I got it, and my Pocket 2. So while we were inside these like smaller, tiny homes, the Mavic 3 was overkill for sure. Way too big, way too nerve-wracking for everybody. And the Mini 3 was good, but then I thought, you know what, if I just get on the corner, probably show you a B-roll here. If I get in the corner of the stairs, I can probably just do a pan down from the top to the bottom. Way less movement. It was very steady. It's also the DJI technology. It was able to shoot in Cinelike, I believe, for the Pocket 2, and also the D-Log for the Mavic, and the Mini 3 Pro has Cinelike. So there was continuity to it. I could use similar adjustment layers and filters and LUTs and all that stuff. So worked out well. But so this video is going to go through just some basic shots as I'm talking. Then it's going to show why my first flight of DJI using the DJI Neo. This was also the first time I flew that. Learning how to get that thing working in a dome made of plastic with low light. I'll show that. You'll see that video too, and some of the features during the next day through daylight. And then last but not least, we'll end with the commercial that we put together for them as a little promo, which is really cool. So really enjoyed our stay there. If you're in the Fredericksburg, Texas, Houston area at some point, make sure you stop by. Good people there at Astryia, and book a night or 5 with them. They're good people. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoy this content of behind the scenes, video making, drone cinematography, drone tech, would love for you to subscribe. We're working towards getting to 1,000 subscribers, so we'd love to do that. And yeah, but without further ado, thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. All right, we are in the dome, Fredericksburg, yep. Texas. Syncing the Neo for the first time. It's connecting. Press and hold the power button on the flight battery for 3 seconds to confirm connection. Okay, choosing a suitable flight environment. Fly in open areas, avoid water, avoid drop-offs, observe local laws. Got it.
Face and press and hold the mode button to take off.
Okay, first flight, here we go. Pick it up. Hit the button, mode button one time.
Droney.
Oh boy, here we go, it's taking off. I think.
4 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Protect yourself, Desiree. Okay.
Fly in well lit. Texture. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction turn. Follow.
Okay, we're good.
I didn't want you to get my hair.
I know, babe. You did great. I don't know what I was doing.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be follow mode.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2,
Oh, who?
1.
I don't know. To follow me. Okay, we good? Where you going, dude? Wow. Is it recording? Just guard yourself. Oh, okay, I can see myself now. Wow, this is intense. Babe, look at. Okay, this is it. Following me. A little noisy. Okay, it's recording. I'm able to hover precisely because it's a little low level, so I don't know if it comes forward or not. Does it come towards me? It's supposed to follow me. Yeah, come on, buddy. I know. This way. Here we go. Follow me. This way. Right here. Come here. Watch the side. This way, little buddy. Come on. There we go. Come on. I'm gonna go around the corner. Don't get scared, okay? Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's very light. It didn't do any damage. It's very scary. Okay, it was like it went towards the knives. It lost me and it freaked out. Making memories. One flight at a time. Welcome back. This is day 2 of the flight test, and way better with great daylight, and I'm seeing my bald spot, thin spot for the first time, so I'm thankful for DJI for making that possible. Thought I had one. This confirms it. There's my wife, Desiree. God bless her for letting me mess up our first night in a dome, but she's a trooper, and she knows I love drones, and she loves me. So walking around, getting the feel for it, trying to cover up the bald spot. When you're 6'4", a lot of people can't see it. So this did really good coming through the trees here. I had to think, I have a pretty long stride, and so I had to slow down in my walking. This is the beautiful Athena Dome we're staying at in Fredericksburg, Texas. Really cool for a client, did some work. And yeah. Super smooth, seamless. This is so fun because this is one of the first times that I get to be kind of on camera and I don't have to worry about droning. I'm always like the dad that's filming everybody else. This was circle mode. Tried to find a real epic, stoic view. Most of my videos I'm squinting. I always look mad. I'm not mad. I'm a pretty happy person. Looking off longingly into the distance. The circle went around one time and ended. I thought I was going to keep circling. It was great. This, I got a little close and had to kind of duck under it. A little confused, but it did pretty well. Starts following me. Went too fast here, and it got really confused with these little wire mesh parts. And you'll see it'll go right into the corner, tracks my face, and then crashes. One more final test, getting it checked. One note is that I cannot follow a vehicle. Tried it when I scanned it for follow. It wasn't a face, didn't recognize it, and tried to get closer. It stayed there. I thought it would back up, it did not. So fun stuff. Really love the device. It's going to be a game changer when we do hiking and another layer of storytelling. Thanks again for watching, subscribing, and liking. Godspeed.